Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of AI-generated art and entrepreneurship. In this video, I'm thrilled to share the results of my 90-day experiment with selling AI-generated designs on print-on-demand products. If you've ever wondered whether artificial intelligence can help you create sellable products and grow an online business, you're in for an inspiring story. I'll walk you through the process, the challenges I faced, and the incredible results that proved customers are willing to buy high-quality AI-generated creations. Let's dive in. The experiment began with a simple idea: use AI tools to generate unique designs and witty slogans for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters. I started by setting up a brand new Etsy store, uploading these AI-generated designs, and optimizing each listing for Etsy's search engine. This involved crafting compelling product titles, descriptions, and tags to ensure my products were discoverable. After just 2 weeks of waiting and tweaking, I made my first 2 sales. Seeing those initial orders come through was a thrilling validation of the concept. Unfortunately, life threw me a curveball. A personal injury forced me to temporarily close the new store. But instead of giving up, I pivoted. With the new store on hold, I decided to upload the AI-generated products to an existing Etsy store I had been running for some time. This decision turned out to be a game changer. By integrating the fresh, creative designs into a store that already had a customer base and positive reviews, I saw immediate results. Over the next 90 days, the store's sales nearly doubled. Customers loved the unique, eye-catching designs, and I received positive feedback that reassured me I was on the right track. This experiment not only boosted my revenue, but also proved that AI can be a powerful tool for scaling an online business. One of the key takeaways from this journey is the importance of quality and presentation. While AI tools can generate amazing designs, it's crucial to refine them and pair them with products that resonate with your target audience. Additionally, optimizing your listings for SEO is non-negotiable if you want to stand out in a crowded marketplace like Etsy. This experiment taught me that success isn't just about using AI. It's about combining creativity, strategy, and persistence. Even when faced with setbacks, there's always a way to adapt and keep moving forward. In conclusion, this 90-day experiment has been an eye-opening experience that has left me feeling inspired and optimistic about the future of AI in creative businesses. The results speak for themselves. Customers are not only open to AI-generated products, but are actively purchasing them when they're well-made and thoughtfully presented. So, if you've been hesitant to explore AI as a tool for your business, let this be your sign to take the leap. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for growth is real. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope my story inspires you to start your own adventure with AI and creativity. Let's build something amazing together.